In this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the square inches for walls, and we're going to need this as part of the calculations to complete the square footage for wall surfaces. So you can see on my left, I have a copy of my office drawing that we're going to be working with here. I have the floor plan over here and a series of elevations here, as well as a worksheet over here to show all my work. So the first step that I'm going to do is obtain the dimensions for the length and the width. So you can see here the length and width are provided for me over here in feet and inches. And so we have 19 feet 3 inches for the length and 13 feet 8 inches for the width. So next I'm going to convert the dimensions from feet and inches to inches. So you can see here, I'm going to take 19 feet multiplied by 12 to convert to inches. So I get 228 inches plus that 3 inches here to get 231 inches for the wall length. Next, I want to convert the wall width. So we've got 13 feet times 12 inches equals 156 inches. And we've got that little extra 8 inches there. So our wall width is 164 inches. The next thing I'm going to do right now is calculate the wall height because I'm going to need that later. So you can see here my wall height, if we look at our elevations, is provided right here. The wall height is 10 feet 0 inches. So if I convert that to inches, I can see that 10 times 12 is 120. The next thing I'm going to do is calculate the linear inches for the perimeter all the way around this space. So we get that by adding the length times the width and multiplying that by 2. So the length times the length plus the width is 231 plus 164 is 395. So that's what I get if I add this plus this. But the perimeter is actually double that because there's 2 lengths and 2 widths. So we can see that the total linear inches or the perimeter is 790 inches. The next thing that I'm going to do is calculate the square inches of the wall. So if I take the perimeter of this and I slice it right at this corner, I can unfold this room and I can see all these elevations laying one right next to another, and it ends up being a rectangle. The rectangle is 790 inches long times that height over here, 10 feet 0 inches or 120 inches. So if I calculate the total linear inches times the height, then I get that the area of all of the walls, right, the square inches of the whole wall surfaces is 94,800 square inches. And so that's how you calculate the square inches of a wall surface, which is one part of the calculations you need to complete to get the square footage for wall surfaces.